3 a.m. I really want this Travis Scott in Fortnite. Oh, but my mum is asleep. Let me just see if I can steal her credit card. There we go. Insert the card. I got it! Yay! Yay! Yeah. Hello? I'm never buying Travis Scott again. No, no, no! Hit me with a bell. No, please don't hit me with a bell. No, 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 no.
What were you doing with my credit card?
I bought Travis Scott. Oh, I should run.
You're grounded.
But
Oh my.
open the. I think I'm safe. I think I'm safe. I need to glide down. Haha, Mom, I'm in some clouds. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. Ah, you can't catch me, huh? You're so stupid. Yeah. Mom, I'm up the leaderboard. I'm up the big tree. Haha, you can't get to me. I'm up the big tree.